Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix download failed errors in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your main menu button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can adjust various aspects of how your browser works. Once the settings page loads, turn your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find different categories. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles your browsing data, cookies, and security features, which often directly impact your ability to download files smoothly. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option called Delete Browsing Data. Click on it to open the clearing tool. This is important because accumulated cache and cookies can sometimes interfere with downloads and cause them to fail unexpectedly. When the Delete Browsing Data window appears, you'll notice a time range option at the top. Click on it and select All Time from the drop-down menu. This ensures you're clearing everything that might be causing the download issues, not just recent data. Next, make sure to check the boxes next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These two items are often the culprits behind download failures, as corrupted cache or conflicting cookies can block the download process. Once you've selected both, click the Delete Data button and give Chrome a moment to clear everything out. Now let's move to the second solution. Click the three dots in the upper right corner again, and this time hover your mouse over Extensions in the menu. When the submenu appears, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to a page showing all your installed Chrome extensions. On the extensions page, you'll see toggle switches next to each extension you have installed. Go through and click each toggle button to turn off all your extensions temporarily. Extensions, especially ad blockers or download managers, can sometimes interfere with Chrome's native download function. After disabling them all, try downloading your file again to see if that resolves the issue. If the download still isn't working after trying those two solutions, the problem might be related to a specific error message you're seeing. Let me walk you through the most common ones and how to fix them. If you see network failed or interrupted, this typically means your internet connection dropped out mid-download or a security program blocked the connection. To fix this, temporarily disable your third-party antivirus or VPN software, then go back to Chrome and click the Resume button on the failed download. This should allow the download to complete without interference. If the error message says disk full, it means your computer has run out of storage space and there's nowhere to save the file. To resolve this, empty your recycle bin or trash to free up space, or change your download location to an external drive that has more available storage. For errors that say failed blocked or virus detected, Chrome's safe browsing feature or your computer's firewall has flagged the file as potentially dangerous. If you absolutely trust the source of the file, you can temporarily adjust this. Go to Chrome Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Security. Switch to No Protection temporarily to allow the download. However, make sure to turn this protection back on immediately after downloading the file to keep your computer safe. Finally, if you encounter no file or forbidden errors, this means the file no longer exists on the server, or the website requires you to be logged in to access it. To fix this, refresh the web page, make sure you're logged into the site if necessary, and try clicking the download link again. And that's it. You've tackled the most common Chrome download issues and should now be able to download files without problems. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.